Welcome to Life of Crow. This is our channel. Come with us with this little journey. I'm Flo. This is our daughter Erin. We have the boy, aka Joey, and my lady Cray, flying out of San Jose, California, headed to Honolulu. This is Christmas week of 2022 to New Year's. This is our vlog. Some crazy things happen on this trip, so this is gonna be a multi-part series. Hope you stay tuned. Subscribe, like, let's go. What's going on? Checking it out. She's so embarrassed. Oh my god.
This is the fit check.
It's pretty trash, pretty trash.
Oh my god. Etsy. Bagels. I got the bagels.
There we go.
Hawaii time!
What's going on?
Going to Hawaii, finally.
Nah,
if I don't get the window, I'm gonna puke.
I'm gonna.
If I can't see the clouds, I'm gonna puke. No, I want the window. I'm gonna be sick if I don't see on the window. I'm gonna kiss elbow you. I'm better than being on there, but don't elbow me.
Bro, you look kind of famous. Is your name Marilyn Manson?
Why would it look like it?
What's your YouTube handle?
YouTube.
We're hoping that you're having a great holiday season. Thank you, Gene Southwest. Welcome aboard. Mahalo. Once we get some smooth air here, we're going to continue our complimentary service.
Butter it, butter it, butter it. Ah, butter.
Yeah, walk into the wall. I was like, why did she stop? What do we see? It hurts, kids.
Button it back up.
Jason Segel, let's go. Erin spotted him in line behind us. Her jaw dropped. We're like, what happened? He did the shh symbol. Erin started fangirling so hard, and she told us, we're like, oh, we didn't want to be rude, so we respected his wishes and didn't freak out on him because we wanted to take a picture because he's so awesome and we love him so much. As you see in the picture, he does peek in there and smile, so he was happy. On the way out, I did say, I love your work, and he said, oh, thank you so much. He was smiling, so happy. He said, happy holidays to us, and then we went to our rental car. Very nice, very genuine person. And Mr. Segel, if you ever see this, thank you so much for the interaction. Welcome. Let's go.
Last time we were
literally oceanfront SU.
I think last time we were over that part.
Shore here, we're trying it out the Hyatt. Let's see what it do. So if you don't know, we have Marilyn Manson with us today. Love the boots. It is nice 80 degrees out there. Ooh, they got 5-0 ready for you.
Okay, you guys want me to pass out the shrimp?
Sure.
The garlic? Okay. Are you gonna be able to take yours apart, Erin, or do I need to take it?
That looks good. That looks really good. I should have got that.
It's a lemon,
Caper?
yeah,
Yeah, it looks like capers. It smells so good.
Super keen. Are you even in Hawaii if you're not walking around eating?
Why?